Welcome back. Now let's familiarize ourselves with the WordPress environment. So after you've installed your WordPress and you want to now log into the back end of your website, you type localhost / remember the name of your folder, WP training, then / WP -admin. Take note of this, WP admin. So this is the link that will take you to the back end of your website so that you can log in and have admin access. So whenever you type, when you have typed your local host on your local server and WP training or whatever the name of your website is, then if you want to launch into the back end, you add this /WP-admin. So that, and it brings you here. Our username, remember, instructor, and our password, login. Voila, here we are. So let me save this. Okay, so this is the WordPress backend. This is what the back end of the website looks like. Of course, we have not started building things here, so it's very, very simple. You know, you just have a few things to navigate here. You have the home, you have updates if there are updates available, then posts if there are posts where you can add posts, edit posts, or create new posts, delete posts, just manage posts. Then of course media, you can manage media, videos, pictures, stuff like that. And pages, you can create web pages. You know, website is actually composed of web pages. So about us page, home page, and the different pages you see on the website, this is where they are created. And if there are comments from the users in the public front end, you can always manage them there. Then here you can manage the layouts, the templates, the appearance, you know, just general layout of your website. Then plugins are very powerful add-ons to WordPress. They are used to expand the functionality of WordPress. So there are plugins to achieve different purposes. If you want a plugin, say for an airline reservation system, you can get a plugin for that. You want a plugin for a hotel reservation system, you want a plugin for an LMS. So different plugins, they just perform different functionalities and extend the capacity and the capabilities of your website. Then users, here you manage users. You are a user already, you are the admin. If you have other users too who are either maybe have administrative privileges, or they just log in and create accounts on the front end, just like a user on Facebook, you know, you can now see all your users here at the back end. You can delete users, you can suspend users, you can add new users, and there are other admin tools here that you can use to manage your website. And you check the settings of your website here, general settings, writing, reading. So we'll get familiar with all of this, right? And if you want to see the front end of your website, if you come here, over here, you see visit sites. So let's open this in a new tab and see what the front end looks like. Okay, WP training, just another WordPress site. Hello world, blah, 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 blah. So this is not what a website should look like, but we are building from scratch. And so we're going to have fun transforming this to what it should be. So there you are. This is just the back end, the layout of WordPress. This is what the WordPress back end looks like. You can familiarize yourself. If you see this on your own screen, then you have followed very well. And if you have any problems, just go over the video again and see where you might have missed it. We'll do more in the next lesson. Thank you.